Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. So, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Pa-comment na lang dyan guys sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Tapos, positive lang. Okay? Huwag tayo mag-spread ng negativity dito. So, kung ayaw mo ng ganitong klaseng reading, pwede kang mag-next video or magpalit ng channel. I don't mind. So, okay lang. Anyway, sana makuha ko yung energy mo. Kunin na natin yung main energy ng Libra. What we have here for Libra. You do have your 8 of Swords, 2 of Swords, 8 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Eight of Swords. You could be stuck in a situation for now. Hindi ka makapag-desisyon. With the Two of Swords, there's a decision na kailangan mo gawin. Maybe regarding sa family, regarding career, ayan, regarding your life. And sa ngayon, yung iba sa inyo, you want to get out of the situation na alam mong parang hindi na nag-workout para sa'yo. Pero parang, kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon eh. Kasi hanggat hindi ka gumagawa ng desisyon regarding dito, hindi ka makakawala or makakaalis dyan. You know? Pero nakikita mo na wala kang mapapala dyan. I don't know if this is a situation. Yung iba person, could be a person if you are in a relationship. Yung iba, this could be a relationship with a King of Cups. Kasi nakakita tayo ng ganon. And the devil is showing to me as a manipulator. Could be someone na nagpapaikot sa'yo, narcissist person. Kung ito ay career, yung iba kasi career, this could be a boss na medyo medyo alam mo yon, medyo hindi okay. Ngayon, hindi ka makapag-decide or makaalis dito sa situation na to. If this is a relationship, maybe with the strength card, medyo matibay yung relasyon. Matibay in a way na kasi with the justice card, pwedeng may marriage. Ayan. So, whatever the case is, ang gusto mong gawin is the Seven of Swords. Gusto mong umalis, lumipat, lumayo. You don't feel like okay pa yung situation mo. Okay? So, ano yung energy ng person na kakonect mo? Person na kakonect mo, spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay. The Magician, okay. The Star. The Seven of Pentacles. This person could be someone na malayo sa'yo. Three of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. The Magician, this is showing to me as a person na pwedeng merong pangarap sa buhay tong taong to eh. Some of you, this could be a new person or a past person, pero yung iba new person ito. The Star, meron siyang pangarap sa buhay, and the Seven of Pentacles, gusto niya mag-grow. Gumagawa siya ng paraan ngayon para mag-grow yung sarili niya. I feel like you could be dealing with someone who really do loves planting, or could be meron siyang mga nabanggit or nakwento sa'yo regarding plants. So, there's communication, connection. And this person with the Star, siya yung tipo ng tao na pag meron siya, wait lang ha. So, pag meron siya, i-share niya rin naman sa iba. Hindi siya maramot. Hanggat meron siya, i-share niya yun sa iba. And, kaya, binibless itong taong ito ng universe because ganun siya ka-open and ka-giving na tao. And good karma is like bumabalik sa kanya because of that. No? Parang napakagaan ng loob ko dito sa taong to, sa totoo lang. Dahil matalino siya, magaling siya. There are times na may problema siya, hindi niya ino-open yung problema niya sa iba. Kasi as much as possible, gusto niya spread positivity, happiness, ganto ganyan. And a lot of people, gustong-gusto siya. And you do have here the Three of Wands. By the way, sorry about my background. Medyo maingay. Kasi ngayon medyo maingay at gawa ng gisingan ng mga mga tao pa dito sa amin. So, the Three of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, sorry about that. So, kunin natin yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa nitong taong to. Pagpasensya mo na guys, talaga medyo maingay sa aking sa aking background. The Strength card, this is you, your emotions para sa person na to. Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo energy, and you do have here the Hermit, the Temperance. Puro major arcana ha, ang hindi lang ay itong Nine of Pentacles. So, emotions mo for this person, I want to clarify the Strength card and the Nine of Pentacles, Judgment, and the King of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, yung either you are already in love with this person, or nandun yung parang unti-unti. The more na nakikilala mo, nalalaman mo yung tungkol dito sa person na to, the more na parang nade-develop yung feelings mo para sa kanya. And the Nine of Pentacles, this is showing to me as you are trying to develop yung sarili mo, finances mo, and with the Strength card. Kasi, parang, although ganon, na etong taong to is someone na parang gusto mo dahil nakakatulong siya sa'yo, parang ganon, or nagkakaroon ng mas matibay na connection, relationship sa inyong dalawa, parang gusto mo pa rin naman magkaroon ng growth sa sarili mo. You see this person as someone na may marami siyang kayang ibigay, and then you want din naman na may maibigay para sa kanya. This person is the Hermit and the Temperance, yung emotions niya para sa'yo. This person is not the kind of person na magmamadali. The Hermit is a person na mag-open up lang siya sa taong komportable na siya na i-open up ang sarili niya. And with the Temperance, hindi siya nagmamadali. Okay? Ang maganda dito sa connection na to is that both of you is focusing on your individual development. Like for example, ikaw, mahal mo yung tao, nagkakaroon ka ng emotion sa kanya, willing kang i-accept siya kung ano man yung whatever sa kanya, no? Pero ikaw ito na parang, okay, habang wala pa naman yung sa amin, i-develop ko muna sarili ko. And then itong person na to, ganun din siya. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future, you do have the Queen of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. I want to clarify itong Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is clarified by the Five of Swords. Dito sa side ng person, wow, guys, this is the King of Swords. The Queen of Swords is here. Knight of Wands is here. The Four of Cups. I want to clarify what's with the Four of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Yung iba, this could be a soulmate or a twin flame connection. In the near future, nakakita tayo dito ng the Three of Pentacles, this is growth, money, financially growth para sa'yo. May magtuturo or mag-guide sa'yo to help you kung ano yung mas magandang gawin para mas magawa mo yung trabaho mo ng maayos, yung career mo, paano mas magbo-blossom siya. And this person will be your mentor, your guide, your teacher. This person will help you para mabanggit or masabi sa'yo kung ano yung mas makakatulong sa'yo financially and with regards to yourself, ano yung mas maganda para sa'yo, mag-workout para sa'yo. The Queen of Swords is here. I feel like may mga pagka-cut off kang gagawin, maybe regarding yourself, regarding sa mga dati mong pinaniwalaan, ano yung mga gusto mong ma-receive sa buhay mo in the past, and yung goals mo in the past, pwede magkaroon ng pagbabago regarding doon. Pwedeng may mga plano ka in the future na parang mababago yung mga plano na ito because with the Five of Swords, you feel like hindi na ito mag-workout para sa akin. Parang mas okay sa akin yung ganito. And pwedeng mas makinig ka doon sa mentor, yung guy, yung guru mo because mas maiintindihan mo na yung mga sinasabi niya, yun naman talaga ang mas makakabuti para sa'yo. So whoever this person is, and then with the Five of Swords, this is showing to me as you, there's a lot of changes pagdating sa past. Okay, big change. Four of Cups, pwedeng hindi ka na kasi sigurado regarding doon sa mga gusto mo noon. Nakala mo gusto mo siya, pero ngayon marami ng opportunity for you. So yeah, your soulmate, your twin flame, I feel like he or she is the one who is going to help you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye bye.